Hey guys, I'm in the middle of installing the frame stiffener on the front, and just to kind of show you what I got going, a little bit of installation notes here. So I got down here and broke the torque on the 4 bolts, got the nuts off, got those removed, and then in order to get a little bit of flex in the lower A-arm, I just put a jack here with a piece of wood underneath I have a lower bumper installed from the factory. Jack it up just a little bit. It's not off the ground, just to give a little bit more play in these. And now I'm going to slide in the subframe assembly, which you can see laying down there. I'm going to put that in and then put my bolts in. I will note the instructions are not clear from SuperATV. The factory had a washer that was installed on this side of the bolt. The instructions did not say if that should be reused. I'm going to reuse it. By the way, these are metric. If you can see there, I think it says 10.9. I looked that up online. These are actually supposed to be pretty good quality bolts, so I'm not going to worry about trying to change them out for like a grade 5 or grade 8. I think these are equivalent to a grade 5 on the metric side. But anyway, I'll touch base once I get the install finished and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, I finally got the frame stiffener installed. Come down here to the bottom, you can see it. The front 2 bolts went in fairly easy. This bolt back here was not too bad, but this bolt right here, this one fought me. I probably spent 45 minutes to an hour just battling this one bolt. I'm not sure if it was the way that this subframe was assembled or if my OEM frame was just had some holes that were off, but trying to get the geometry right to get this to install properly, it just fought me. I had to use a C-clamp to pull this new subframe stiffener. I used a C-clamp to pull it up on the front. I had to put a screwdriver, a large flathead in here to pull it down in the back to get the hole to align. I finally got it, but it probably would be much easier if you had someone to help you. But I did finally get it. I think all in total, I probably ended up spending anywhere in the neighborhood of I would say probably actually took me about 2 hours to get it fully installed. But I finally got it, and I would definitely recommend it. It's a very high quality piece. These subframe pieces right here, the original, the OEM frame, if you do a lot of jumping or even if you have a hard hit on the front, sometimes these brackets will bend, and so this frame stiffener prevents this. This bracket, by the way, is the same on the Razor as it is on the General, and it fits identically, so no difference there. There is a video, actually, the sidebysideblog.com guys, they've got a video on Nick Seuss's Ranger, Razor. He actually had an instance where he was doing some jumping and it bent the subframe. So they put it on there, and you can see it there on their video as well. Thanks for watching.